I'll start with Will Brown. Will's probably I'm not saying it because he's up here, but Will's probably the hottest young talent in the V8 Supercar scene at the moment. Will, I'd like to hand over to you.
It's been an awesome 4 years, learning about the brand a lot, KMC Wheels, and also Wheel Pros in general. At the start I thought KMC Wheels was all of it, but then learning about all the other brands has been awesome. And yeah, like Brendan said, I started with KMC Wheels about 4 years ago before I had a main game drive. So I was racing an S5000 Super 2, which I was fortunate enough to run KMC Wheels at Bathurst in Super 2. And then at the end of 2020 I got a drive with Erebus, starting last year in 2021.
This guy needs no introduction. Current defending Bathurst champion, which Bathurst is coming up in about 8 weeks. I won't talk about his career because it's probably too long to keep everyone here tonight.
Look, it's obviously, I think for me and Will, I think we're probably the privileged ones. We're amazing to have an amazing job and represent amazing brands. You know, for me, to be able to represent a brand like Rotiform, I think is a bit of a school kid moment for me. You know, you look at guys like Ken Block in the States and seeing what he's been able to do with Jim Carter and the way he represents that brand, and to say that I also represent the brand here in Australia is something pretty special. So also it's pretty good. Me and Will have been mates for the last couple of years. Not this year because he got in my way several times, as usual. But look, I think we're probably the honoured ones, to be honest, to represent these amazing brands. So look, I think tonight coming here is the first time actually being able to get to one of the warehouses and check it out. I feel like my wish list for Christmas has just got bigger and bigger.